We no go, no. Opolo and your brother no be open eye. I dey do Martino, no be palava. Na jump and jump on, that's where it's supposed to be.
Good afternoon. My brother here, he can't see. He's blind and he's deaf. We've not eaten since morning. Please, can you just help us with if no amount is too small? Pico.
Yeah, sorry, me, I don't have money.
Hey, sweetie.
Like, seriously.
Sweetie, don't worry. I think I have something here.
Okay.
Every now and then with the pop bottles, 3-4 ladies, top models. Johnny Walker know with the crack levels, top notch niggas.
I'll take. Give me change, I beg. Give me change.
What? You know you can be prosecuted for that.
I don't have change, yo.
Hey, promise frost, man. What's up, man? It's been a long, man.
I beg. You get to 5 naira, I give this beggar.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What's up, baby?
Bros, how fun now?
Oh, well, you know, I just ran out of cash, but I move around with my chain.
Run to the beat, make you no go lose God.
Sister, this is a retake of 25 naira.
Jesus is Lord. Funke. You know you can be prosecuted for that.